Welcome to the channel Global Car, where we bring you the latest updates from the world of cars, tech, and innovation. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Mazda CX-5, a bold evolution of one of Mazda's most popular SUVs. With a refreshed design, upgraded tech, and improved performance, this latest generation aims to redefine what a compact SUV can be. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 CX-5 brings in a sleeker, more aerodynamic profile. The front grille is sharper, and the LED headlights are now slimmer, giving the vehicle a more aggressive and modern stance. Mazda's signature Kodo design language is still at play, but it's more refined, with subtle curves and clean lines that emphasize motion even when standing still. Under the hood, Mazda offers a 2.5-liter turbocharged engine that delivers up to 250 horsepower, paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission. And yes, it comes with available all-wheel drive, giving you both power and control in various driving conditions. For those looking toward the future, Mazda is also introducing a hybrid variant, promising better fuel efficiency without compromising on performance. Step inside, and you'll notice a completely redesigned cabin. Mazda continues its tradition of premium interiors with soft-touch materials, genuine leather options, and an intuitive layout. A 12.3-inch infotainment screen now dominates the dashboard, integrated with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a new digital instrument cluster, adding a futuristic touch. Safety is another strong point. The 2026 CX-5 is packed with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist,